Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Happy Sunday. It is finally beautiful weather in St. Louis, so it's going to be a great day. Let's start off the vlog on a high note. I have a teensy little thrift haul for you guys. I got some stuff the other day and I'm pretty excited about it. Let me sit you down. I went thrifting the other day, honestly just to waste some time, but something was just calling me to the thrift store. I just knew that there was something there for me to find. These shorts I found literally the second I walked into the building. They are these black shorts. They're a little bit longer, which I like, and they have this like built-in little belt thing, which I think is a cute detail. They're high-waisted. They fit me perfectly. I'll try them on a little bit later for you and like try to figure out how I'm gonna style them. They're pretty basic, so it shouldn't be that hard. I think they were like $5, less than $5, like 4 and some change. They have 2 pockets on the back, which I like, and I just like that they're a little bit longer, so I like these, and I don't have any black shorts, so I think those would be great for like a casual pair of shorts for the spring and summer. I kept walking around the thrift store before I left because I just felt like I was missing something. Like I zigzagged through the same aisles a million times because I just felt like there was something there that I was missing. And there was, because guess what I ended up finding? The most perfect denim maxi skirt. I have one maxi skirt or one other like denim long skirt, but it's more of a midi skirt. And I wanted the full maxi vibe. And this was also a red tag, so it was half off that day. And I think I literally spent less than like $3 on this. I think it was like $2.50. Only issue is it is just a teensy bit big. So today we are going to the fabric store to grab some supplies, and then we are going to work some sewing magic on this skirt, do a little thrift flip, make it just perfect, and I'm very excited. So let's go to Joann's. Okay, so I'm at Joann's. I have to get a couple of different things because I have a couple of different projects going on right now. One, Tyler needs me to fix 2 of his chains, so I have them with me. I need to get like, just one needs a clasp and like one needs, I don't know, just like a ring, something really simple. And then I need to get some denim thread because I want it to be strong and durable with the skirt. And then I also want to get like some ribbon and some fake flowers because I want to make a DIY little flower choker. We've been seeing the flower chokers everywhere and I just refuse to buy one because that is so easy to DIY. So that's what we're looking for today. We have a slight change of events. It fits me perfectly low-waisted, and I kind of like it this way. I kind of don't want to take it in to make it high-waisted. It kind of just feels like meant to be because it does fit so well low-waisted. None of my stuff that I really wear is low-waisted. I tend to go for more high-waisted stuff normally. And this is just blowing my mind. I kind of like it. It gives me like a way more laid-back look. Or I can bring it up and take it in. I feel like with it high-waisted, it just looks more like formal, and I like the casual vibe. I think I'm gonna leave it low-waisted, but we still have some little DIYs to do. I still wanna make the flower choker, and I still have to fix Tyler's chains. So this DIY is gonna be pretty simple. I got all of these flowers. I'm just going to cut them off the stems, and I got these flowers because they're a little bit flatter than the other ones. Some of them were like more round. I just got these hair clips. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but I think I'm just going to cut the flowers off, hot glue them onto these, and then I can pin them on whatever. So if I want to do a choker, I got this ribbon, pretty much the same color. I can just tie the ribbon around my neck and then clip one of the flowers on if that's what I want to do. You catch my vibe? You get where I'm going with this? I don't think this should take very long. If it does, there's a problem. Really quick quickly, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Lovestitch. They sent me over a few pieces to show you guys, and I am obsessed with them. They are the perfect spring pieces. First is this beautiful cardigan. It has like this cool, large, oversized floral print on it, and I just think it's so cute. It's so heavy and so thick and such great quality. This is one of the dresses they sent me. I love this like pale purple silvery gray color. I think it is so beautiful. This is the other dress they sent over. I love this print. If you look closely, it's butterflies, which I didn't even know when I picked it out, but I love the purpley tones. Thank you, Lovestitch, for sending me over those pieces. I love them so much. I will leave their website linked in my description so you guys can check out their pieces for spring and summer. And I'll also have these exact pieces that I tried on for you linked down below also. Okay, these are the black shorts that I thrifted. I love the length of them. I love that it has the little built-in belt, so it has just like a little bit of detail in it. Okay, this skirt is literally just so cute, and I feel like I could style it with my little DIY flowers and show you guys how I want to use those. I saw one girl on TikTok like just take them and pin them on her outfit like that. The fact that chokers were just in when I was in college and they like went out of style and now they're back, like I cannot believe it. Like, tell me how cute. It hits the flower choker trend without having to go buy an actual flower choker, because how often is somebody really gonna wear this? Don't know, but I'll wear it. I think it's cute for like a pic. I feel like it would look cuter with like a different top. I think the flower choker trend is so cute with something like off the shoulder or low cut, because it draws the attention up here, and I like that. I think it's adorable. Anyway, I know this vlog was kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.